I'm not standing up, I'm using this like a kayak. So, here I am. I seem like a man behind a mask, which I guess I am. Gentle breeze does push the bugs away. Nice. But they are following. They are relentless, I guess. Well, I didn't get a shot of setting up camp as it was. Oh, I'm out of breath. 3 o'clock this morning. Why 3 o'clock? Because I procrastinated. But it's just a hammock. And I was running away from the bugs. But surprisingly, there weren't that many bugs as there are today. I don't even think lily pads will be growing yet. Tomorrow's the first day of walleye and pike, I believe. Leave the fishies alone. Although the pike, I believe, respond. I remember seeing them in April coming up the Black Creek. Go back to the lake. Or the Rideau River. Drag on some more. I don't cast very well. That's okay. Oh shoot! I wasn't expecting that. Oh no. What is on my line? Oh shoot. I think that's a pike. I think it is. Holy crap, that was a nasty fish. Yeah. Oh shoot, something got it. Something got it. Are they hungry? I think that's a bass. Yeah, that's a bass. That's a bass. We gotta let you go. We have to let you go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, don't. I gotta let you go. Come on. Come on. Hey, I'm trying to let you go. Now, let's see how we can. Yeah. Oh, you really gobbled it down, didn't you? You gobbled it down. My dollar store lure. There you go. I got you out. Okay, mister. You're gonna get really good. All right? Okay, you ready? Ah, thank you. Thank you. Come again. Oh, God. Well, not very exciting, is it? Not a fish on every cast, but there are some big fish in here. Oh, I hear the loon. I hear the loon. Another bass, I think. Yeah, it's a bass. Oh, he swallowed that good. Yeah, you swallowed that, didn't you? Oh, well, let's put you in. This is going to be a constant all-day rain. Going to the woods.